On this closed interval from a to b of the continuous function f of x, there are two relative maximum values and two relative minimum values. We compare the height of the endpoints and the relative extreme values. The highest point is the absolute max, and the lowest is the absolute min. In this case, the absolute maximum occurs at the endpoint, x equals b, and the absolute minimum value occurs right here. Knowing where a graph attains its maximum and minimum values is very important in applications. For example, consider the profit function on the closed interval from 0 to 800, where Q represents the quantity sold. In this case, we want to determine the quantity Q that maximizes the profit. For this, we need the critical points. Taking the derivative, setting it equal to 0, and then using the quadratic formula to find the roots gives Q equals negative 167, which we omit because it's not in the domain, or Q equals 250. This value is in the domain, and so we keep it. Now we check which quantity yields the highest profit. So we evaluate the profit at 250 and the endpoints, 0 and 800. We see that when Q equals 250, the profit equals 1125, which is the highest value. And so Q equals 250 is the absolute maximum.